हाइफानो जों जेहेतु जोंनि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द फ्यूचर शेप खायनानि बागै जों हरो दिनै आईएएस मा ऑफिस मा खुलबो इंस्टीट्यूट मा खुलबो स्कूल्स मा बारेगो स्कूल्स नो अपग्रेड मा खायबो ओमफ्राय जोंनि कायसा रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दङ एज ए गवर्नमेंट एज ए ब्यूरोक्रेट्स as a public, as a citizen of Indian government, chini kaisa daitto tongo je chini or generation no chini students from now future kaham future with dignity talanga ni bagai chini o daitto onek koto ambarni no antabi se request khane chini teachers from now je please do your duty because I as a local MLA I might not be aggressive to you, but jebro ani chair ya kare tai kaisa borok ani chair asu thainai hoito borok no hoi tai kaisa aggressive ke behave thainai. So no political leader or no public representative wants to be aggressive with the employees. Kuno MLA kuno MDC naigla je employee ro ni thaniyo chon khoran khotar ke kokma saton dinai ang norok ni thani koinai norok ni duty please kahang ke khana bagai jate guardian rok ni complain chi norok phaya ba ta phaitung dinai asu sabino ang tini ni o program or inauguration program o bhaimanda phaida jotto teachers students political activists social activists chini officials higher officials jotono oro songsajar chini o IAS no जों greater heights talanga bagai bobogai and greetings khata hamya phai and speech orono paidekha ambai. Good afternoon everyone. Honorable EM Education, MDC PT ADC Modu Sri PO Education, Inspector of School Khumtoya IAS, Chairman Khumtoya ILEC, and all the chairmen, social activists, and my lovely teachers. Tini future ni kaisa step tini oro inauguration ni program. I feel very proud and honored to be part of this program. Kami hingga as a young legislator, I have always kept education my first priority. Norok nubi makna jebro an kok sawo koranti sawo assembly tung and सबसमय education ni bebar kok sawo because I see future through education. जों जे कुनो खायना पनो education नांगौ नै सायमानै no education na first priority दिगो. You cannot do anything without education. You cannot do any job without education. You cannot come into politics without education. You cannot be a good person without education. So this age, this century, education is the most crucial part, be it for the societal development, be it for the human capital, be it for your personal growth. Honorable EM Education na belai hambai mario chini hoku tu isawo IAS school of mani bagai chini Dhalai district nge aspirational district ni joto na saimano o aspirational district ni bising se chini o long privilege subdivision ngai joto jaga no I will not say deprived but joto jaga no overpacked mane jam block open onto buini jaga 10 village committee wa ekta block khankai chini oro 31 DC wa ekta block buini oro 50-60 schools of kaisa IS office tongkai chini rotai 100 pun cross na thine gan orang nugujiman nugus tremendous pressure ro chini teachers ro chini IS officers chini education department no samun thaine ro busik cost of hey department no chalo dima to student ratio teacher ratio milia total education policy phaigang kai apno fulfill khanan bagi infrastructure ka ham kare o is jo se jung abo hai basic amenities no te jung oro fight khale matom ko we cannot deny the fact that we are lacking in education. Our teachers are lacking in teaching. Some schools have 3 teachers and 5 students. Some schools have 30 students and 1 teacher. All these things should be sought out with diplomatic way. I request our Honorable Indian to kindly look into this matter. At least student teacher ratio nole chini oro solve khaina niumthun karon ang jekono jaga visit khaiga te jekono institute thun not only schools AWC banongthun jekono khantai every institute have at least minimum 5 problems. Especially school or jebro visit khai teachers talking or कम से कम 10 टा valid reason तुमको बोतांगी school of भैया बोतांगी तीनी class 9 में या student बोतांगी school भैया student school of तांगी infrastructure करी 10 valid reasons तुमको आज अंगे ना visit खाई करो अंगे ना चुप अंगे माथा हो कारण systematic disorder निभाते Angge as a legislator, thinking of a samaniya, but someday I will also be a father of children. Apru amonai ani busa kaham ni video kori tum teachers jara tomai koro ani busa no kaham ke purum tum. Tabu or generation suni tarje of platform manmani. Ang chini time of honorable MDC botamu. Or time of the decision of no, Sudraina just a Kayan guy. Ani or a Jero, my future, but not of the future generation, the teacher and the penai, Borok by Chini difference, Kunotomianai. Karon Chini is a civic sense, Chini is a mentality changing away. All mentality no to carry forward Kaitan Chini future generation, same chini mentality carry Kaitanai, some future chini responsibility je reserve money, some diet to reserve money. As a teacher and as a public representative, some failure nahi. So in that case, I will request my dear teachers to please regulate everything. There can be many inconvenience in your duty. You can be sent for some administrative work. Nono BLO, nono midday meal, pressure,